Ohio. 1. Ohio is almost perfectly split by glaciers. The northern part of the state was flattened by ancient glaciers, while the southeast stayed rugged and hilly. You can practically see the dividing line on a map. 2. It has islands in Lake Erie. Put-in Bay and Kelly's Island are real inhabited islands with wineries, caves, and tourism, not something many people expect from Ohio. 3. Ohio contains the world's largest exposed geode. Crystal Cave on Kelly's Island is lined with giant celestite crystals up to 3 feet long. 4. The state has a mini Grand Canyon. Hocking Hill State Park has towering cliffs, waterfalls, recessed caves, and deep gorges that look nothing like stereotypical Midwest farmland. 5. Ohio once had massive ancient swamps. The Great Black Swamp covered huge parts of northwest Ohio and was considered nearly impossible to cross before it was drained in the 1800s. 6. There are earthquake zones in Ohio. Small earthquakes happen regularly, especially near eastern Ohio around the Appalachian Plateau. 7. Ohio's southern border is basically the Ohio River, but not exactly. The border technically follows the river's 1792 low water mark, creating weird legal and jurisdiction quirks with Kentucky. 8. The flattest part of Ohio used to be the bottom of an ancient sea. Millions of years ago, much of the state sat underwater beneath a shallow tropical ocean filled with coral and marine life. 9. Ohio has caves formed by glaciers, not just water erosion. Some rock formations and recessed caves were shaped by glacial meltwater carving through sandstone. 10. You can find shark teeth in Ohio. Fossils from ancient ocean creatures are common because the state was underwater during the Devonian period. 11. Ohio has one of the largest Amish populations on Earth. Rural eastern Ohio contains vast farming regions with horse-drawn buggies and low-tech communities that dramatically change the landscape. 12. There's a giant serpent-shaped earthwork visible from the sky. Serpent Mound is a massive prehistoric earth sculpture over 1,300 feet long. 13. Lake Erie creates snow machine weather in Ohio. Northeastern Ohio gets intense lake effect snowstorms when cold air sweeps over the warmer lake waters. 14. Ohio's highest point is surprisingly low. Campbell Hill is only 1,549 feet above sea level, lower than many city skyscrapers. 15. The state has hidden Appalachian terrain. Southeastern Ohio is part of the Appalachian Mountains region, with winding forest roads, steep valleys, and old coal country landscapes that feel very different from the rest of the Midwest. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more content like this, and check out my other videos.